Hi, I'm Morgan Bowling, and I'm going to teach you how to break down a side of salmon. We prefer buying a whole side of salmon, then breaking it down yourself into even fillets, so you ensure your fillets came from the same fish. This means that they're even in size, which will give you even cooking. First, we want to remove the pin bones. These are slippery needle-like bones in the salmon's flesh. Drape the fillet over an upside-down mixing bowl to help the bones stick out. Then, working from the head end to the tail end, run your fingers along the salmon to locate the pin bones. Sometimes your fishmonger will have already removed them for you. Use tweezers or pliers to grab the tip of the bone and pull firmly in the direction the bone is naturally pointing to avoid tearing the flesh in the salmon. So satisfying, isn't it? Now we want to create uniform salmon fillets. First, remove the belly. This is that heavily marbled strip that runs along the length of the salmon. Angle your knife and make a few thin slices to remove any small bones. Once you've removed those bones and that thin layer of fat, you can see where the meat lies underneath, so you can cut the tapered end straight across without wasting good salmon. But save this meat, it's good stuff. Salmon belly costs top dollar at a sushi restaurant. Next, remove the tail. Use a knife to slice through the flesh side of the salmon where the width begins to taper off. Don't throw this away either. You can use this tail meat to make salmon cakes. Now, slice the salmon in half. You can use your fingers to make sure you've sliced all the way through the skin. Then, slice it into thirds. We prefer to cook salmon with the skin on. But if you'd like to remove the skin, use a knife to slice between the skin and the flesh at the corner of the fillet. Then, using a paper towel to help grip it, slice the remaining skin off the fillet. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you think of this how-to in the comments below and hit that subscribe button.